Okay, welcome to the last week overview video. This is the overview for week 7, our very last week of our summer Read 960 course. I thought the fireworks were appropriate because that's how you're going to feel when you're done. There'll be like a whole party, celebration, congratulations that you're done. So I liked that cover. Okay, so before class and our plan for Zoom, before class, I want you to read the conclusion of Opening Skinner's Box. And then in class, we'll do a check-in. We're going to go over chapters 4 and 8 of Skinner's Box. We'll go over the rhetorical analysis that you did last week. And then I'll cover what's going to happen in our last week. And we'll talk about the conclusion of Opening Skinner's Box. That will be our last Zoom meeting, too. Crazy. Then an overview of the week. After our Zoom class, you'll read the last chapter that we're going to do in Opening Skinner's Box. You'll do your QQMS and a quest and your final discussion board. Remember, initial posts are due Wednesday and replies are due Friday for discussion boards. And then we'll wrap up the course. There's the final exam. It's worth 10% of your grade. There's a video that'll tell you how to do it. There's directions, and then you'll just submit it to the assignment folder. And then there's a link to an instructor eval. Okay, so for Opening Skinner's Box, Chapter 10, it's called Chipped. This is actually Walter Freeman, and he is famous for performing lobotomies, and that's what actually Chapter 10 is about. So you're going to watch the video which previews Chapter 10. Here's the presentation, the PowerPoint that I used to make the video. There's another video I want you to watch, and again, I can't link it directly in our video for copyright reasons, so you'll have to exit out and watch this. It's, again, some background knowledge on Walter Freeman and what he did to people. And then here's where you'll submit your QQMS. You're going to do a quest. And then that will end that part of the assignment, so you'll submit that here. And then there is an online discussion this week, so here's the link to the discussion board. Remember, initial posts are due Wednesday, and replies are due Friday. You must at least reply to 3. Make sure you look back at the discussion board rubric because it's been a few weeks since we've done one. Okay, and then we're going to wrap up the course. So here's the final exam folder. You're going to watch the video. Here's the PowerPoint I used to make the video. Here are the instructions for the final exam, and then here's where you'll submit the final exam when you're done. The last thing you'll do is go back in and do the instructor eval. I don't have the link yet, but hopefully I will by now, and you should see it there, and just click on it and fill it out. Okay, and then at that point, that's it. You're all done with Read 960, the end.